Bravuris 5Hm. Long-lasting performance. Discover the joy of every new trip. The Bravuris 5Hm, with its specially developed high-mileage compound, provides outstanding mileage performance, low rolling resistance, and a reliable grip. Outstanding high mileage. The new polymer technology stands for the next level of abrasion resistance. The high mileage compound, with an innovative central rib design, plus optimized lateral grooves and sipes, delivers a reliably smooth rolling behavior. An optimized stiffness distribution allows an even footprint, helping to avoid irregular wear for a really outstanding, long-lasting mileage. Reliable dry performance. With its latest silica generation enhanced compound, the Bravuris 5Hm delivers top-level performance, rolling resistance and grip. Closed blocks on both sides and the patented interlocking sipe design improve pattern stiffness for a convincing grip and full steering control. Low rolling resistance. The highly flexible and improved temperature resistance compound with enhanced vulcanization components reduces rolling resistance. An optimized pattern design minimizes tire deformation and prevents heat buildup for less friction, smoother rolling, and ultimately a low fuel consumption, providing a truly cost-saving performance. Good tires, good deal. Barum, a brand of Continental.